Hi Boss Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring to you a little luxury unboxing. About a month ago, I went into Saks looking for a keyring holder. I actually went to a few stores before Saks and I just finally found one that I really liked at Saks, and I bought the Prada 6 keyring holder. I started off at Nordstrom, they didn't have any. And then I went to Louis Vuitton. The sales associate at Louis Vuitton didn't want to sell me one because they only had the one with the monogram and rose ballerine, which is a light pinky shade. And she said that it just gets filthy really fast. And so she literally refused to sell me the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas 6 keyring holder for that reason. She said she got a lot of complaints and people would come back saying it was just like so disgusting, and that I should check a luggage store or I should check Kate Spade. So I was in the Houston Galleria trying to just have a self-love day, and I went to Tumi, I went to Ted Baker, I went to Coach, I went to Kate Spade. None of them really had anything that was for a female. Coach had 6 keyring holders, but they were just for guys. They came in black and brown leather. So if there's someone from Coach watching this, I would say women want keyring holders as well. So go ahead and put them in some feminine prints and monogram and some shades, and we will buy them. Trust me, because people are really looking for them, especially at Louis Vuitton. So I ended up going into Saks. I don't shop at Saks. It's like, I always say it's above my pay grade. And so I went in and I just asked this lady, hey, do you have any keyring holders? I really want one. And she worked in Prada and led me to the Prada 6 keyring holder. So why did I want this? Why is it something that I was on the hunt for? So I felt like I was a janitor for a very long time. I was like old Otis off Martin. I had keys for every door in Houston, I felt like, and it was like a big wad. Like if I took my keys out, they would dangle like this big. And I wanted to be able to fit my keys, my cell phone, and other items in a small bag, but my keys would be so big. Also, I was in the market for a new luxury bag. I knew which one I wanted. I knew that when I got it, it would be small and I needed to downsize. So I bought a few other things, not only this 6 keyring holder, but I'll show you all the things in a separate video, probably the new to my closet video for March. But with that being said, I didn't want the keys to tear up, poke, or create a hole in my new luxury handbag. So I wanted to go ahead and get a keyring holder. I had seen so many videos online and I decided Prada is good. So I was trying to save money at first, let me be honest. That's why I didn't go to Louis Vuitton or Prada first. The Prada one, I believe, is the most expensive except for Chanel, and that's really just ridiculous. I think the Chanel one retails for about $500, but you're able to keep cards in there as well. I thought the Prada was a good compromise because it is all leather. So I'll show you. I've recently bought this Ted Baker bag. I really like it. It comes with this rose gold strap. Got this from Nordstrom Rack. I got this from the Rack. So I really love this bag, but as you can see, it's not a huge bag. You know, you can just keep the essentials in this bag. So that is why I have my 6 keyring holder. You can see it here, and everything else that keeps this bag nice and neat inside. So I'll pull the keyring holder out. And now if I did not have this, my keys would be all over this bag because I have 8 keys that I pack on a daily basis. So this is 1 month after I have purchased the 6 keyring holder. So I'm gonna now show you the unboxing of this item from a month ago, and then I'll come back and tell you my 1 month review. Okay guys, so you just saw the unboxing. That was a month ago, and I am able to keep all of my keys in here. This is what it looks like a month later. This is how I close it up. I do keep it closed up when it's in my handbag. But if I'm in the house, I normally keep my keys for my car, my key fob for my car, and then my key for my house on the outside, because if I have to walk the dog, I don't have to open it up every single time. So when I'm in the house, it just stays on my entryway table and I keep it like this. But when it's going in a handbag, it is all closed up and I can close it up. What I realized is that I cannot close it up, and I wish I had a card, if I keep a card back here. So what I really wanted to do with this is let it be all inclusive. And I wanted to keep, let's say, a ID and a debit card, so that if I had to run to the store, if I was walking my dog and then wanted to go get coffee or get a snack from a dog-friendly cafe, I would just be able to have my ID debit card behind here because they do fit. You can fit cash and extra keys on this side. Let's see. Right now I have stamps on this side, so that's what I'm keeping in here. Nothing can really fit under this flap here, but that's fine. I didn't buy it for anything to fit there. But I realized that I was not able to keep all the cards in there with the key fob, and so it wouldn't close up. So I would be able to only close it up with my car key on the outside. And so I thought, you know, that's not really crucial. I don't need to keep cards in there. But I can if I want to. I just want to let you know that. But it was kind of a downer initially when I put all the keys in and I was not able to like really close it up with the cards back there. Also, I want to show you for 1 month of wear, I think the leather is holding up nicely, but it is getting dirty because I did get the rose shade. This does come in a few different shades, and they release new shades in each season, I believe. So I went ahead and got the pink one. The other option they had in store was a navy blue one, which looked great. It looked professional and everything, but I just wanted to be a girl. I just want to be a girl for a moment. So let me show you 1 month of wear. It's really on the corners where you're able to see it. So you can see the dirt and grime here, and then you can see it here as well. Again, this is only after 1 month. You can see it here. The shape is fine, you know, it's never going to keep that perfect shape because I do have a key fob in here, but I do believe that for all the wear and tear, again, I've used this every single day, every time I left out of the house, walked the dog, got in the car, did anything, I use this, and so I think it is keeping its shape really nicely, and I think it's keeping its shape better than the Louis Vuitton would have, since this is leather and the Louis Vuitton is canvas. So that is my 1 month. Oh, and I want to show you right behind here where the hooks are, where you put the keys on it, you can see dirt here. This is from the keys because, you know, keys get really dirty and nasty. And I have quite a few keys in here. But am I loving it? Yes. Is it serving its purpose? Yes. Am I able to put cards back here if I want to? Yes. I would just have to take out my card key fob, which is still no problem because even in this handbag, let's say, I can fit this in like that, and the key fob does not rip through fabrics like regular keys do. You know, putting regular keys in your pocket is the #1 reason why you get holes in your pocket, and people don't realize that. So as you can see, it fits nicely. I am loving it. It is just looking really All right, I will clean this though. I will use a wipe and try to clean off the dirt and grime, and probably do a 6-month or 1-year review on this item, but I am really loving it. I loved how it was packaged. I loved all the monogram, how they put all the branding on it. I loved every little piece of unboxing it. I felt like, you know, it was a special treat just for myself, and it really was. It was a treat. It's not a need, but it's something that I really wanted and I had been looking at for a very long time. So with that being said, I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts on my Prada 6 key ring holder. Do you have one? How long did it last? How long did yours last before you had to replace it or repair it? Oh, this is under warranty for a year. If anything happened to it, I can go back to Saks, the Prada boutique in Saks, and they will just repair it for free. So that is really good. You know, I love buying things with warranties. I love buying things under warranty or that you can take back. So I just hope you enjoyed this video. It's not really a brag video, but I know a lot of people who saw me with this in real life and said, hey, why do you have that? Why did you get that? What is that? It's cute, but what's its function? How is it lasting? And a few of my friends were like, I'm ready for the unboxing. Like, let's just get to it. So after a month, I am unboxing it. I wish you all the best. Have a happy spring and continue to be blessed to be a blessing, Girl Boss Beauties. Bye.